We view inflation as the greatest long-term threat for most of our clients. Stock market volatility is a big deal. Lots of things like taxes and fees are a big deal. But ultimately, inflation is the largest risk for most clients. If you think about you have this amount of wealth you've accumulated and you want to take a withdrawal in retirement, very often the inflation rate is just as large as your withdrawal. So if a typical investment might make 8%, well, if you spend 4% and inflation's 4%, you're really just treading water. That's before taxes, before fees. And if we own safe fixed income, we can't even earn that. So I think for a lot of investors, inflation is the risk they don't see coming because it's not tangible. You can't see it. It's invisible. But we all know cereal cost more than it used to. Gas cost more than it used to. Cars cost more than it used to. Healthcare cost more than it used to. That's inflation. And if the inflation rate averages 3%, which is actually less than the historical average, every 25 years your cost of living is going to double, which means every 25 years we have to make your assets double. And that's after your withdrawals, after taxes, after fees. That's why inflation is such an important factor, and it's one that keeps us focused on how we have you invested.